So for this recipe, the first thing I did is I soaked the corn in the husk in water for about 4 hours. I've got my grill hot. I'm now gonna take the corn in the husk wet and put it on the grill where it's gonna cook until that corn becomes tender. So my grilled corn, which was soaked in the water in the husk, has been cooking on the grill 400 degrees for about 1 hour. I squeezed and you can tell that it's tender. I've got cotton gloves on with disposable gloves on the outside. The cotton gloves insulate my hands from the heat. So now it's time to peel back the husk, brush it with a little bit of Alabama white barbecue sauce, put it back on the grill. It's gonna go from this opaque white color to like very translucent. For the Alabama white barbecue sauce recipe, you can find that on my YouTube channel or go to my website, tuffystone.com. So the finishing touch for this street corn preparation I'm doing with the Alabama white barbecue sauce is we're gonna put a little sprinkle of the big umami on there. So just to recap on this dish, I soaked the corn in the husk in water for about 4 hours. What that allows us to do is grill it over the coals, and that moisture that's soaked in the husk will cook that corn with steaming action. We cooked it for about an hour until it was tender. Peel back the husk, brush a little bit of Alabama white barbecue sauce on there, a little sprinkle of the big umami, finish with a little sprinkle of chopped fresh cilantro.